Welcome back to the legend that refuses to fade. The 2026 Pontiac GTO, a name that once ruled the streets in the golden muscle era of the 1960s, has been reborn for the modern age, stronger, faster, and smarter than ever before. The GTO was never just a car. It was an attitude, a roar of rebellion, and a symbol of American performance that defined generations. Now, in 2026, Pontiac is reclaiming that legacy with a design and powertrain that perfectly blend classic soul with futuristic innovation. The first look at the 2026 GTO immediately strikes you with nostalgia. The long hood, muscular stance, and split front grille pay homage to the 1969 classic. Yet, every line and curve has been refined for aerodynamics and modern taste. The new LED lighting signature, sculpted fenders, and wide rear haunches scream performance from every angle. Built on a lightweight carbon-aluminum hybrid platform, the new GTO isn't just about muscle, it's about intelligent strength. Under the hood lies what makes this beast truly special: a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8, producing an astonishing 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. This engine, developed in collaboration with GM Performance, delivers power with precision. Mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the GTO rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but Pontiac also offers an optional AWD performance package for those who crave ultimate grip. Inside the 2026, GTO is a masterclass in blending old-school charm with new-age technology. The cockpit wraps around the driver with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a digital display that morphs between classic analog gauges and futuristic interfaces. Pontiac has even included a heritage mode, which transforms the digital layer cluster into a retro-inspired setup that mimics the 1969 dash layout, a true nod to enthusiasts. Driving dynamics have been taken to the next level. The Magnetic Ride 5.0 suspension, adaptive launch control, and active exhaust system make the GTO as precise on corners as it is wild on straights. Every drive feels alive, with a soundtrack that growls deep and raw, the kind of sound that turns heads and stirs memories. The return of the Pontiac GTO is more than just another performance car release. It's a resurrection of passion, power, and pride. It reminds the world why this name mattered in the first place. This isn't about following trends. It's about leading them. Again, the 2026 Pontiac GTO doesn't stop at brute force. It's also built for the modern era of sustainability and intelligence. GM engineers have introduced a 48V mild hybrid system that assists the V8, improving both throttle response and fuel efficiency. Regenerative braking, start-stop functionality, and cylinder deactivation all contribute to surprising efficiency. For a car with such raw performance, Pontiac also emphasizes control and customization. With Drive Dynamics Pro, drivers can adjust suspension stiffness, exhaust tone, steering feedback, and throttle mapping through the infotainment system or voice control. Whether it's cruise, track, or classic muscle mode, the GTO adapts to your driving mood instantly. Safety and tech integration are top tier. The car features Pontiac Vision AI, a suite of driver assistance tools including adaptive cruise, lane precision assist, 360-degree cameras, and predictive collision avoidance. Yet, unlike many performance cars, Pontiac has made sure technology enhances, not interferes, with the thrill of driving. Every assist can be turned off with one switch, putting full control back in the driver's hands. In the back, the wide LED tail bar and quad exhaust outlets leave an unforgettable signature on the road. The GTO's roar has been acoustically tuned to deliver the perfect harmony between muscle, growl, and modern refinement. Optional titanium exhaust, tips, and carbon. Spoilers add to the aggressive persona for those who crave visual power. Inside, the 12.9-inch curved infotainment screen and AR head-up display bring the latest connectivity, including wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and over-the-air performance updates. The Recaro sports seats hug you tight through corners, while ambient lighting reacts to drive modes, turning red under heavy acceleration or blue during highway cruising. The GTO isn't just a performance statement, it's a cultural revival. Pontiac has positioned it as the symbol of American muscle reborn for the digital age. It honors its past with authenticity, while boldly embracing the future. To mark its return, Pontiac is offering 3 launch trims: GTO Heritage Edition, classic-inspired design, limited to 969 units worldwide; GTO RS, track-focused with carbon aero kit and racing suspension; GTO Electric Shadow Concept, a hybrid electric prototype previewing Pontiac's next era. With the 2026 GTO, Pontiac reclaims its crown as the heart and soul of American performance. It's a car built not just to move, but to move people, emotionally and viscerally. When you hear that deep rumble echo down the street, you'll know the legend is back, stronger than ever.